How you doing? You want to have a
How you
selfie?
doing? Huh? Yeah, come.
What would you like to do?
Let's have a selfie.
Come on then.
Put your boot over there.
Oh, be careful.
Come on.
Just before you get too carried away, have a look over there.
No, I can see.
I can feel the kind of rage you have
Let's
there.
have a selfie.
What the hell? I think she's just holding her ear. Carry on, mate. Why are they beeping at me? I love the old Mercedes. Another clever clogs, eh? She was more worried than he was, that's for sure. You want to say hello? I'm happy to come say hello. You can come get a selfie if you like.
How you doing?
How you doing? You want to have a
How you
selfie?
doing? Huh? Yeah, come.
What would you like to do?
Let's have a selfie.
Come on then.
Put your boot over there.
Oh, be careful.
Come on.
Just before you get too carried away, have a look over there.
No, I can see.
I can feel the kind of rage you have
Let's
there.
have a selfie.
Go on then. No, I don't want a selfie. I thought you wanted one.
Come.
You seem to be angry about something.
I think what you do is, I think you do a good job.
But you don't like it.
The way you do it is wrong.
Okay. I don't think that's showing very much. You're on a call with someone. Hello, Jamie. That's interesting. I think you're stressed and nervous.
No, I think that what you do is a good job.
Uh-huh.
It's merited, but the way you do it is wrong.
Well, he's fine, relax. You've got plenty of time, don't worry. Your partner's worried about you. Hello there.
No, you're wrong. The way you do it is wrong. You're going.
Why? What would you like me to do different?
No, you should be doing it graciously. Because what you do is you take the mickey out of people and you like try and get them in trouble. Whereas really what you should be doing
But I don't
is
do that.
advising people.
Oh, and not reporting them.
No, well, no report.
That's what you're really saying. Let's walk towards your partner before she gets too stressed.
No, I'm saying to you that what you do is wrong because you're intimidating people.
No one needs to be intimidated by me. I pose no harm to anyone at all.
No, it is. I agree with you. What you're doing is right.
But you're still angry about it. I could feel it in your reaction to me.
No, it's just wrong. Because
well, I do admire. I do.
And you're going to get up. You might pick a fight with the wrong person.
I might. They might pick a fight with the wrong person.
No.
You know.
A lot of nasty people in the world. They might hurt you.
They might.
And what you're doing, you have a good. Your idea is very good, but upsetting people in the way you do, you might get in trouble.
I'll give you a quote from a friend of mine who's a traffic officer and possibly one of the better ones in the UK.
But,
and his colleagues, his detectives, some detectives who don't do car crime at all, said to him, Mark, this is Mark Hodson, why do you always make drivers angry? And he says, no, they don't. I don't make them angry. They make themselves angry. They get caught and they can't bear the stress.
They do. But the thing is,
he's being fine now. Don't worry.
I was just very upset because a friend of mine's husband died, and she had her
yeah, she got in trouble because you got them nicked. And it's
Okay. Well, I'm sorry about her husband, you know. Think how it felt for me with having to find out from a police officer that my father was killed by a drink driver.
No, but drinking
You know?
and driving is, but this is people on their phone.
Well, that's actually phone use is about as distracting as drink driving
No, I
at
agree,
the drink driving
I
limits.
think what you do, you're right what you do. But the thing is, the way you do it is wrong.
I don't think so. I think I'm doing the right thing, and I have yet to see any reason to make me change. And I question myself probably more than you've questioned what I do. Particularly when I go to court and I have to look the other person in the eye. And that's actually hard, you know?
Okay. Alright, okay. Nice
No
to meet
problem.
you.
I'm glad we ended on a much more friendly note than before. Don't worry, he's much calmer now.
Say though, when I saw your thing, I said he's right.
You're right, you are right.
No problem. I admire your Merc. It's absolutely lovely. Oh, people do put their phones away. Hello.
Legend.
Thank you. I'm more of a legend. Have a nice day. That's kind of cool. Jesus, mate. Very stupid bit of undertaking there. Honestly, I thought he was going to come short. He was on the phone now. Drama.
Calm down, officer, please. Calm down, officer, calm down. Please, officer, calm down. Please. Okay, sorry, sorry. You're punching me off, sir. Okay, please. Please, officer, please. Thank you. Yeah? Let's secure that. Thank you. Okay. Officer, my hand is about to break. Please. Please, officer. My hand. Okay, officer, please. Okay, please. Ah, fuck! The left hand, officer. The left hand. Okay, please, be quick with it, please. The left hand is killing me. Oh, the left hand, officer. Please, Ooh. Officer, the left hand, I beg you, let me make it straight for a second, please. Silver car, is that? Now the right hand, officer, please. Okay, yeah, that one. Sorry.
Mate, and so anytime you take section 1 from this drug right, see what I've been Class A drugs that have been thrown. This, mate, you literally grind on the scene, you just take it, threw it out directly in front of me. So at this moment in time, it's 1829, you're under arrest for suspicion to Class A drugs, alright? So you're not the same thing. Main harm defensive, do not mention one question specifically, which is very well in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Right, reason for this is confidential investigation.
Afternoon, officer. Sorry. Yeah, I think I might have got all of that on my GoPro. If you want any footage, it's really good quality. So,
Okay.
yeah, if you want my details, I'm happy to give them to you.
Okay, just give us a sec, okay?
Do you understand why you've been arrested, mate?
Jay?
So literally, by our car, he's literally run. See, he's thrown something here. I'm not sure if there's got more in there as well, because I've got one bag. He's stuck down where the car is, mate. He lost sacked for 25 minutes and right and fell over. Actually, I took the bag and it wasn't for searching over the street.
Where's the other guy?
The other guy's in the car on the right top.
Very professional, you guys. I appreciate you very much.
Thank you.
I'm one of these
What's that, sir?
people who catch phone drivers all the time.
Okay, okay, nice.
I saw him running, so I blocked him off the bike,
Yeah.
and he crashed there, and that's when he threw something. So I'm assuming it's on here. It's still running. I'm not going to stop it.
Thank you, sir. Okay, what's your first name, sir?
Mike. Surname is. So surname is. And my number is.
So, what's your date of birth, sir?
I'm very well known to the Marlow House, the Traffic Defence Division. I've reported about 1,000 drivers.
Oh, nice. I think I've seen
You probably have the ones with
on like
go
Hyde
back.
Park and stuff.
Yeah, Hyde Park.
Okay, yeah.
So
Yeah.
you want my
contact
mobile?
number, please. Yeah.
077. I won't get in trouble for blocking him, will I, with my bike?
Nah, no.
I'm not sure how legal that was, but I did it anyway.
Nah, it's all good. It's all good. He's obviously doing something, so
Poor guy,
it's
man.
no stress, man. So obviously,
I feel sorry that he's driven into such a situation, you know.
of course.
I mean, I know nothing about his situation at all.
So,
But it can't. I'm sure that's not something you choose to do if you have other options.
Well,
I don't know.
you never know, really.
Maybe I'm too tolerant in my view.
You're never gonna know unless you live.
You live that
exactly what
situation,
they-
right?
yeah,
Unless I walk in his shoes.
Exactly. So yeah, I've got your details. If anything, we will contact you. Okay?
Yeah. I just put a highlight button and I'll download it and save it.
Thank you, great stuff.
No problem. I'm sure you won't need me at all. There's so many of you with body cams.
My colleague said that he's obviously caught it on his body cam, so but if worse comes
I
to
just
worse,
remember feeling him hit my bike and go flying, and the shit flying everywhere.
so that'll be Inverness Terrace.
Yeah.
Obviously on this day, 30th of August, about 18:30.
Yeah.
About this time.
So exactly 18:30 and the 30th of August. Oof. Anyway,
All right. Thank you for your help, sir.
no problem. Have a good day.
Is everything okay?
Yes, fine. No, they caught an alleged drug dealer.
Wow.
I blocked him with my bike and then he crashed.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're a hero.
No, 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 no. On the GoPro.
Wow.
Have a nice holiday.